So you might be trying to go ahead and actually delete photos and videos to free up storage space on your devices. It can be done in iPhone, iPads, iPods, whatever. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. There is only one way to free up storage space. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So basically you can check how much space you have. Just go always settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone storage, iPod, iPad, wherever, just open storage. Here you'll be able to see how many your photos be like. As you can see, almost 1 gigabyte. So basically to clear your photos, you just go back to your screen and then open up photos. So what we need to do next, just open up albums at the bottom here, tap on it, and you'll be able to see all your photos and videos. I just tap on recents. It's my last album with all my photos and videos. So what we need to do next, just tap on select at the top right corner of the screen and select all video and photo that you don't want to see and you don't need to use it, and we can delete it. Basically you can select all your recent photos and videos and then just tap on trash icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then proceed to delete. And how many photos and videos you have, just tap on this. Alright, next what we need to do, it's very important. Go back to your albums, just tap on 2 times on albums. Alright, scroll down, in very bottom you will see recently deleted. This means you will see your recently deleted photos and videos here, and after 30 days they will be automatically deleted. But we can clear our space right now. So what we need to do next, just tap on select at the top right corner of the screen and tap on delete all at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on delete, and how many photos, as you can see, no photos or videos. This means we clear recently deleted. And let's check our space again. To go just on settings, as you can see, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, proceed to storage, and as you can see, a little more different size. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.